traders, and welcome to today's video. Let me take this chance to welcome all the new subscribers into today's video, and also for the returning subscribers, feel most appreciated. Okay, so in today's video I want us to answer a question that every beginner trader asks themselves before they start forex. Okay, I know many at the times you sit back and ask yourself, how much do I need to start trading forex? What's the minimum amount I should have to start forex? Something else I also want to let you know is how you can get your capital to start trading, do's and don'ts. Okay, so without much talking, let's just jump into the video. Depends on your broker. You'll get a broker who will tell you the minimum amount that you can have to trade is $20. We have other brokers that will tell you it's $10. We have other brokers that will tell you it's a different amount. Okay, so that depends on which broker you are using, and we have brokers that you can start trading with as low as $10, as low as $20. But believe you me, with $10 or $20, there's nothing much you can do. Okay, so at least think of $100. If you want to start trading, just think of a minimum of $100. That is when you are practicing. You know, when you are trading in demo, it's totally different from when you are trading in your live account. In demo, that's not your money. Whether you make profit or loss, you are just learning, and there's nothing to lose. Even if you blow your demo right now, you'll still go get another one. You don't buy the demo, you just go register, you get another account, you can practice with it. So you can start trading from a demo account, then from the demo you'll advance to a live account. Okay, there's no way you will trade from the, and believe you me, when trading in demo account you will make profit. You will make so much profit. Why? Because you have no emotions attached. That's not your money. Whether you lose it or not, there's nothing to lose. Okay, it's a funded account. Yes, you will practice with it, but you will not be able to withdraw. You'll just be seeing the profit that you've made, the loss that you've made, and you can't withdraw from it. Okay, so when it comes to live trading is whereby you are trading with your real money. Okay, you can't say I want to start live trading with $10. Like $10 will blow them in seconds. Okay, you can't say I want to start trading as a beginner with $20. $20 will blow them within a second. Okay, so the minimum I can advise someone to have when you want to start trading as a beginner is $100. Why am I saying $100? $100 means you are able to work with a lot size of 0.01. In the next video, in the course of the week, I think that video will drop in the course of the week, we will discuss about lot size now that I've mentioned it. But lot size is the strength of your account. Like for example, if I'm dealing with an account of $100 and someone else is having an account with $1,000 or $500, like our strength is not the same. My strength, I with $100, my strength is not the same as the person who is having $500. So that strength, let me just call it strength. That's power. That's money power is what we call lot size. Okay. For someone with an account of $100, just work with the 0.01. Don't even bother to calculate. Okay. Of course, there's a formula for calculating lot size. I'll share with you in the course of the week. But as long as you're working with $100 and below, just use 0.01, which is the minimum lot size. Okay, there's no other lot size below that. Just work with that. Take one trade, take two trades, learn with that. Even if you blow the account, at least you'll have learned 1 or 2, 3 things. Okay, and this reminds me, when I was starting, I even used to write notes on how to place a buy. Yeah, I used to write, you'll click here, you will long press. It looks difficult when you're starting. Right now, like today, when I look back, I say I used to write notes about how to place a buy or to place a sell. And buying in forex, we don't call it buying. Buying is going long. Okay, selling is going short. Those are terms in the course of the week. So many videos will be dropping in the course of the week, and some of those most of the terms that are used in this industry, I will let you know about them. That's why you rarely hear someone saying I am buying or I'm selling. We use the words I'm going long or I'm going short. Okay, so don't worry, everybody has their day when they learn these things. Your day is not somebody has not even heard about forex. You are learning right now. Okay, so take it easy. Just find an account with $100. Don't find too much money, as long as you are a beginner and you are practicing. Okay, even if you've been making, you can make profits in demo and also make profit in real account. Why? Because you've detached emotions. You know, demo is a demo, but for your real account, you will place a trade, it will go against you, and it will hit your stop loss. What is stop loss? You'll know in the next video, so you'd rather get stay tuned. Okay, if the market goes against your prediction, of course you'll hit your stop loss. Stop loss is something that we use to, it's like telling the market, in case you market go against my analysis, this is the amount that I'm willing to lose. Don't take more than this. So whatever you take by that action of instructing the market, you will only take this as loss. Don't take more than this from my account. That is what we call setting stop loss. Okay, so basically that's what I can say about the minimum amount that you can use to fund your account. You can start with $50, but $50, believe me, you will trade with so much emotions. Just top of $100, and make sure you use a lot size of 0.01. If it's a trade, just place one. So you're learning, take one, and with the time you'll gain the confidence. You'll manage your emotions when you are working with a small capital. Okay, so for me, when I was beginning, I funded an account of I think $400, and it's because I had done it in demo, and I felt like, if this is how it's done, at least I can do it. But believe you me, I ended up blowing that amount. How? Why? It's just the market. The answer that I can give, it's just the market that did its thing. Okay, so the other question that I was supposed to answer is something else I should touch about. Something else I should touch about this something to do with capital. Where can you get, how do you get that capital to start trading? Let me ask you a question. Like, if you want to trade, where will you get the capital from? Just write on the comment section where you feel or where you're planning to get capital from. I'm waiting for you to write on the comment section. Okay, I know the answers that I am expecting to get is I will take my savings, I will take a loan, I will borrow, I will do this and this. But so out of experience, what I can say about capital, don't take your savings to fund as capital in your trading. Why? You will blow it. Believe me, you'll blow it. I know you're saying, I know how to take proper risk management, I know what I am doing. Go take your savings. And if it's your savings, don't take everything. Take it in partials. Take $50, $100, $200, depending on how much you have. Okay? Don't go like, don't, even the people you see out here who are profitable, they didn't just learn and woke up and started becoming profitable. Learning is so easy. I told you, the learning process it takes only 20%, but 80% is your discipline, your everything. It all comes from you. That's not from me. I will only give you 20%. In fact, I'll give you 1 to 10, not even 20. 20, it's you. This forex requires someone who is able to read further, someone who is able to gather information from different sources. Okay, and forex is something that requires someone who is always updated. Be updated with international news. What BBC? Know what is happening internationally. wacha kuwatch hizi maloko channels peke yake. I know tuna watch Kameme, tuna watch Musi FM, tuna watch zinaitwa nini, you see those things you watch every single day, na unacheka hadi unaonyeshana neno zako za mwisho. It's a high time, kama ni masaa ya news, una watch news zako na una get updated internationally. What's affecting the market internationally? Remember, our local market cannot affect the news. Hata hizi demonstrations zenye tuko nazo, this is something local. The market doesn't know anything to do with the demonstrations iko Kenya. Kenya is so small for forex, okay? So what I can say, make sure you stay updated na international news. Ndio ujue Israel uko na vita na USA wanafanya nini, Iran kuna vita, kunafanya nini. But hii ya East Africa ati unasema Kenya, Uganda, Tanzania sijui nini, it doesn't affect foreign exchange markets. Forex means foreign exchange, okay? So stay updated, okay? And by being updated utakuwa unajua what can I fund? Nitafund nini? You will also know when to stay out of the market. You'll also know when to say today I'm not trading. Not every day you'll wake up and see a setup. I hear people saying that they trade daily. Like, if you don't trade, what will happen? You'd rather not trade daily, but have quality trades, okay? Quality trades is whereby you are trading daily for $10, $20, and someone else will sit back, do the analysis, and make $1,000 just one trade in a week, okay? So that's all I can say about where to get capital. Don't go for all your savings and say that I'm going to fund forex. You'll just cry. You'll come back here crying. Take partial. Just take a small amount depending on how much that you have. Practice with that. If it works, you can go for a higher amount. But what I can recommend, what I can recommend about getting capital, go for funded accounts. When I was beginning, the person who trained me when I was beginning actually did not tell me about funded accounts. I remember there's a day I heard about funded accounts on TikTok. Then I asked my trainer, what's funded account and how does it work? So he was like, just leave it. These are there are so many things in this industry, not everything that you will get. So just take what I'm training you. Funded account is not an extra knowledge that someone is giving you. Funded account is an account that someone, a broker somewhere, or an organization somewhere has funded some amount. You pay to get that account. You trade with that account following the rules that they've set. If you pass all those rules, you will have a profit share, okay? It's like leasing somebody's account, okay? You trade with their money. The profit that you make, you share with them. That is, if you pass their, like we call it profams, by the way, it's profams. Profams is whereby a broker has funded accounts. You go buy the account with as low as $70 or $65 maybe. Then you come follow their rules. If you pass the rules, or if you adhere to the rules and you pass the thresholds that they've given, you'll have a profit share with them depending on the rules that they've set, okay? And also you'll get the money that you used to purchase that account, okay? So that's what I can advise. But as a beginner, don't go for funded accounts. You'll just blow it. And for me, I say blowing a profam is better than blowing your real account. Why am I saying this? Assuming you funded your account with $100, and for me, I am going for a profam which I'm going to pay around let's say $60. By the time you are blowing your, God forbid, if you happen to blow your account, you'll blow your $100 and you'll be left with nothing. For me, I will blow a profam with $60 and remain with $40, that I can, at least you can't be making loss 100%, that I can use at least to do what? To go and get another profile. Okay, so that's all I have for today. For you to get capital, it's either you use your savings. Don't go taking loans to fund your accounts, by the way. Don't take a loan to fund capital for your trading. As long as you're a beginner, you will take a loan, you will fund your account, you will, if all goes well, it's okay. But remember, we are all speculators. Nothing is certain in this market. Like, even the A+ setups hit stop loss. You can analyze the market, you're like, this now, this one, Lamborghini on the way. Hakuna kitu kama hiyo. Nothing like that. Nothing is certain in this market. So just make sure that you do your calculations well. Risk what you can afford to chase. Okay? Don't go for all your capital. Don't go for loans to fund your account. And even when it comes to trading, risk what you can afford to chase. Don't place a trade and you can't breathe. When the candles are going against just one candle, unakata hewa. Just one candle going downwards, you feel like your head is blowing. No, you just set your stop loss. Meaning, if I'm ready to lose $10 or $20, it's okay. Set your accounts and go relax. If it's a profit, you'll go find your take profit. If you'll go find your profit hit. If it's a loss, of course, just chase it. There's always tomorrow. There's always next time. Setups are so many. Something worth it. It's worth your time. It's worth you losing the money. And every successful trader has lost money at some point. Okay, don't see people who are profitable and think that they woke up and they just studied and went to make money. If that's what you are thinking, I don't think this is the right place you should be. You will learn, you will go practice, you will lose, you will gain. Now, the difference between a profitable trader and a struggling trader. A struggling trader makes more loss than the profit. A profitable trader makes more profit than the loss. No one makes profit 100%. That's all I have for today. If it's your very first time to be here, make sure you subscribe and tell me what you think about today's video, and any questions that you have, write it down on the comment section. Then let's meet on the next video. Okay, bye for today.